Hi everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today, we will learn about web scraping in Excel. Let's learn this through a simple use case. So, here it goes. Let's imagine that you are Alex. Alex, a data analyst who needs to analyze stock prices from a finance website for past 1 week. For that, you need to pull the data into any of the data visualization tools like Excel, Tableau, or Power BI. So here, Alex tried for a plugin or an online tool which can help him to pull this data from the website directly to his Excel workbook or any of the data analyzing tools. Now, he learned that the website did not offer any downloadable data or any API that could help him out. Faced with the tedious task of manually copying the data, Alex turned to Excel's web scraping feature. Using get and transform, that is the Power Query tool, Alex entered the website URL and previewed the data tables available and quickly imported a stock price table into Excel. The process was seamless with the data ready for immediate cleaning and analysis. Excel's ability to refresh the data automatically saved Alex's hours of manual work and ensured accuracy. That's it. If these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Now, before we get started, let's look at the website through which we want to pull the data. Now, this is the stock analysis website that we are looking at, and we want to pull this particular data from this particular data set. So here we have some sample data, and this is the table that we are looking at. Now, if you expand each and everything from this data set, we have a few more couple of tables. You can also go through that. But now, let's focus on this particular data, right? Now, we need to switch to Microsoft Excel. So here, you can see you have a lot of options here. And if you see into the data, here you have an option that says get data. And here you can pull data not just from a website, you can also pull data from an existing workbook, from a database, from cloud, or any other. If it's data, you can just pull it. Now that's the best feature of Microsoft Excel. Now, if you just go to the bottom section here, which says other sources, and here select the from web option. Now this will open a Power Query window for you. But before we get started on pulling the data, we need to do one more thing, which is about copying the URL, which you need to paste it somewhere here. Let's go back to the website. Now you can just copy the URL, go back to Excel, and here you can paste the URL and press on OK. Now here you go. You have established a successful connection with the particular website. Now here you have a couple of tables in that particular website. Now just click on those tables and you can see the sample preview of the data you're looking at. Table 0, Table 1, Table 2, etc. Just look at the preview and select the data table that you are looking forward to have it in your dataset. Now let's say I want to go with this particular one. You can just click on load, or if you have some transformation to be done, let's say you wanted to categorize this based on name, like first name, last name, or if you wanted to make sure to do some calculations or find out the rate of the product or anything as such, mathematical calculation or data transformation that you want to do, you can go with the option which says data transformation. Or if you're feeling happy with the data that's currently on your data set, then you can just click on load. Now I'll go with load for time being and it'll run some queries and your data will be loaded. And also, just in case if you wanted to know if this particular data set is really dynamic or not, let's say somebody does some update on the particular website. Since this is a stock trading website, maybe there are updates based on per day or based on weekly, right? And someone adds some new data onto the website. And again, you cannot carry out the same operation, right? In such scenarios, you just go to this option which says refresh all and you can refresh the data and automatically the new entries will be added to the same table. You can also see some of the queries running. Right now it is quick, so you can see that. You can see an option that says query is running in the bottom section of the Excel spreadsheet. Let's look at it once again while I press the refresh button. Running query background. That's how it runs. And you have the updated data table on your Excel spreadsheet. And with that, we have reached to the end of this session on web scraping in Excel. Should you need any assistance like PPT or dataset or any other resources like the link we used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to assist you as early as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Design any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.